Welcome back, everybody, to our Travel 411 show. Going on vacation is always a thrill, always. But before you get to the airport or put that car in gear, you got to pack. And learning the best way to pack doesn't only make travel a little easier, it can also save you actually big bucks in baggage fees. Here to show us how to pack the perfect carry-on is organizing expert and good friend to our show, George Schultz. Good morning, Joe.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for having me.
I'm gonna, not that I don't always pay attention to you, but I'm gonna pay a lot of attention because going on a little trip, just a 4-day, and we're gonna do a carry-on. So
Great.
This is I haven't cracked this nut. I don't pack well.
Okay.
I don't, so I'm excited. So
all right.
Where do we start,
good.
my friend?
Well, you want to start with a great piece of luggage. That's hands down the #1 thing you want to do. First time I ever bought a carry-on for the plane, it was too wide for the aisle.
Okay.
So I went rolling down the aisle and I couldn't even get down there. It was awful. So you want to make sure it's 9 by 14 by 22.
Right. Okay, everybody. Get a pen.
9, 14, 22. Get that ingrained in your head.
No, seriously, 9. Okay, I got to remember that too. 9, 14, 22.
Right. That is the size bag that will fit down that aisle nice and, you'll have enough room. You won't be snug. You won't be conformed in there, which will be really great.
Okay, so we have the bag.
Yes.
This is a nice one.
You have the bag. So on vacation, a great funny thing to remember, bigger is not better when you're packing.
Yeah.
Okay? You want to wear your bulkiest clothes, your sweaters, your boots, your winter coats. We all live in the Midwest. And then when you're going down from your normal wallet to a travel size wallet or a travel bag, you don't want to bring your whole wallet.
No.
You want to bring something a little bit more compact. One ID, your medical card, and 1 or 2 credit cards max. That's all you want on you.
And I love that you said this, especially because of the time of the year that we're in.
Yes.
If you need, because look, if you're going to a warm destination, you're going to obviously want to wear something warm when you come back and face this winter.
Right.
So where you're saying wear the bulky item, don't overly pack bulky items, wear on the trip.
Right. And if you're coming back to the cold like we are,
yeah.
you can wear that same outfit you wore on the plane way back.
Because nobody cares.
Nobody cares. Nobody sees it.
Yeah.
So we're going to wear our bulky items.
Okay.
We also want items that are multifunctional. This is a great little pashmina. There's also scarves. I put this around me on the plane when I get cold, which is a great thing instead of having a bulky jacket. If I'm flying to Las Vegas all the time, sometimes I leave my coat in the car, whoever brought me there.
Yeah. Because
then I can just take this on the plane when I'm getting to that cold environment.
How's Vegas been lately?
Fun. Okay. Maybe a little too fun. I know you're a Disney guy. I'm a Vegas girl.
I'm Disney or Vegas.
Oh, okay. Well.
Yeah.
Then we need to talk.
We need to talk. Yeah,
we totally need to talk. So the great debate, rolling versus folding. People ask me this all the time. And I'm going to show you. It's really a combination of both, no matter how you do it.
Okay.
And we're going to demo underwear.
Great.
So, because I know.
Because when you think women's underwear, you think Jace.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So it's just a small demo to show you that you fold it and then you kind of roll it. And we're going to use a packing cube too. So we'll talk a little bit about that.
Packing cube? What is a packing cube?
We'll get to there.
Okay, thank you.
So you want to take your piece of clothing, whether it's underwear or a shirt or boxers, whatever you wear, okay? We're going to make believe a little bit.
Should I move these shoes? Let me move these. I want to be next to you. So,
okay. All right.
I've never folded women's underwear before.
Well,
okay?
here you go. First time for everything.
Okay.
So you want to fold in the sides. And then you want to roll. And these are new. I did tell Jason. So no, I did not bring my personal. You're welcome. You're so welcome. And then you want to roll.
Okay.
This is a packing cube. So packing cubes kind of keep your things separate.
Put my panties in here.
You put your panties in there.
That's right.
And then once you fill it up, it kind of helps with the compression too. So then when you open and you're looking for that new pair of underwear when you're on vacation.
Where is that pant?
It's going to be right in your packing cube ready to go.
Yeah.
So a couple things.
Okay.
That was good.
I was
impressed.
good.
I was very impressed.
Yeah, okay.
Very impressed. So folding versus rolling, it kind of depends on the clothing and the material that it's made out of. I like to be prepared for everything when I'm on vacation. I kind of have that Mary Poppins bag. My girlfriends always laugh at me about that. But you don't have to always be prepared on vacation. So rolling versus folding, these pants are rolled, these are folded. Whatever you have left space in your bag, fold or roll. I typically roll my pants.
You typically, another rule, typically roll.
I fold the pants in half and then I roll them. So it's always a combination of both.
Okay.
So next I want to talk about my must-haves when I'm on the plane.
Yeah.
I have to have my battery backup, my phone charger, my earbuds. I like to talk to people on the plane sometimes, but if they already have their earphones in, I'm popping mine in
Oh,
too.
are you a chatty Cathy on the plane?
No, not a chatty Cathy.
Oh, okay.
But I say hello.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, I
how
mean,
are
yeah,
you doing? Why are you going to
Girl.
Vegas?
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
you want to know.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nosy.
Yeah.
I'm more nosy
Yeah.
than anything. My iPad, and then I always pack with an extra carry-on bag. I tend to do a little shopping when I'm on vacation, so this unzips to a big duffel. So when I'm coming back home, or if it's warmer and
Love
I
that.
don't need it, I put everything in there because you're allowed that personal item too, which is typically a handbag or a briefcase.
That is fantastic. It's like when I go to Disney, I always buy like 8,000 Mickey ears.
Right.
So when I run out of room, I love that.
That's what you need
Okay.
when you're in Disney then. So next thing with traveling, again, I like to be prepared for everything. Definitely hit up the travel section at Target when you're there, because I know you love Target.
I love the Target,
I love
yeah.
you, Target. So this was an example. I went to Vegas. I forgot my Listerine. At Target, Listerine goes for about $149 in the travel section. In the Vegas kiosks in the mall,
What?
it goes for $8.79, and that is honest
You know,
truth.
I will have some funky mouth. I would
Yeah.
not. I'm not paying. I'd rather have fun. I'm not paying $9 in Vegas.
So there's
Yeah.
a big sticker shock. So I always like to have, wet wipes, some Tylenol, some sanitizer, and some snacks with me on the plane prior to getting on the plane. Otherwise, you're gonna get charged a bunch just with the little necessities
Don't pay
that you
that, or
need.
just have some nasty mouth. Organizing expert Joel Schultz. For more of Jor's tips, we made it very easy. Check out our website, jorganized.com. And if you missed any of our tips, we'll be posting this segment on our Facebook page. Just search for Jason Show TV, and of course, we're on YouTube as well. Still to come on this travel.